Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tuner report for Goose in Texas on this Ranger RCI 99N4. Goose got it ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment, Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade, high cut noise filter, electrolytic cap upgrades, wideband transmit and receive, ERF 2030 plus MOSFET upgrades. The list goes on and on. Got your 10 kilohertz switch back here as well as your high cut noise filter. Let's just get right to it. RF power all the way down, 250 watt slug. Got you sitting around 20 watts all the way down. That way you have full adjustability, Goose, if you decide to run an amp. Right about 120, 121 all the way up. So your average power swing. Hello, audio. About 180 bird. 1000 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 hello. 590 peak. Alright, Goose is ready to come to you, man. I appreciate it. We'll get your striker antenna out to you as well from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.